Today I have a huge care package that just landed from my friends over at Brooks. Huge shout out to my guy Peter for sending this through. Now the cool thing about this package is that it actually comes in 3 different tiers and each layer reveals something new. So let's start with level 1. Right off the bat, we got this really nice card explaining the theme of the package. Today is all about running Redefined and the Brooks DNA tuned technology, which they've been introducing in some of their newest products. And the first sneaker in the box is the Brooks Glycerin Max 2. This is actually the stacked follow-up to the original Glycerin Max, which I've heard is almost sworn by runners everywhere. The big story here is the DNA tuned cushioning. It's a nitrogen infused foam that's engineered with larger cells in the heel for softer landings. And we also have smaller cells in the forefoot for a more powerful toe off. Instead of stacking multiple foams together, Brooks created one seamless cushioning system that's tuned for performance. With this sneaker, we also have something called glide roll rocker technology, which basically helps guide your foot smoothly from heel to toe while you're running, walking, whatever it is that you're doing. And like the name suggests, these are stacked to the max, meaning there's a ton of cushioning designed to help you keep your legs feeling fresh and reduce impact over longer runs. So that's tier 1, performance and running. Now let's get into tier 2, which is all about lifestyle. And this one is really interesting because Brooks decided to remix one of their legacy sneakers. This right here is the Brooks Adrenaline GTS 10. Originally released back in 2009 as a performance running shoe, Brooks pulled it out of the vault and reintroduced it as a lifestyle sneaker for everyday wear. But this sneaker isn't just a retro release. If you take a closer look at the midsole, you'll notice the small symbol right here. That indicates that this shoe uses DNA tuned cushioning, just like the previous shoe we just saw, the Glycerin Max 2. So what you're getting here is a heritage design sneaker with modern comfort. The upper stays true to the original 2009 design with open air mesh all over the sneaker. We also have bold overlays and that classic running silhouette, but now it's built for all day wear instead of just the track. And I'm pretty sure if you wanted to, you can probably still run in these. So that's tier 2, legacy meets lifestyle. Now we have the final tier, tier 3, which is all about style and comfort, because let's be real, what are sneakers without a fire fit to match? But there's also something really interesting that has been added to this pack. Brooks actually included a custom magnifying glass with their branding on the handle. And the reason for that is, if you take a look at the back of this card right here, there's actually a message on it. I'll include some B-roll. It's written extremely small, so you have to use the magnifying glass to even be able to read it. And what it says is that there's actually a bunch of hidden 10s inside and around the Adrenaline GTS 10. And the idea is that you have to use the magnifying glass to try and find all the 10s throughout the sneaker. It's a really creative detail that honestly just makes the whole unboxing experience just feel a little bit more interactive. We have a Brooks running hat. We have some Brooks Ghost socks. Let's go. And we have a really nice Brooks running hoodie. I'm messing with this. We also have some branding on the back. This whole hoodie is like out of like a nice sweat resistance or like sweat wicking material. I'm a big fan. But overall, huge shout out to Peter and Brooks for sending this incredible package my way.